Hey traders, welcome to the Weekend Bites. Let's get started here with the trade review and some educational bites here on this Amazon trade that we took in the room. So I'm going to quickly go over how this trade materialized and what we did for this trade. Obviously, it's a really nice gap, and I think I've given enough gap analysis as you know now what a good gap looks like. So with a further ado, let's get right into it and see how we traded this Amazon. And I'm going to show you how we do it in the room and how things work. So just I'll walk you through some of the things that we do in the room, and here are the obviously we had some trades here, AOI, which was a home run, and I'll go over that in a different video. But here's the Amazon trade, long 141.50, 140.50. So now that said, now let's get into this trade. This was a simple 5 minutes opening range setup. This is an opening range break right here. So let's look at the gap. The gap's right here. You have a nice consolidation here in this range. It's been really consolidating. If you think about it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. So 8 weeks of consolidation, kind of a peekaboo of flat 200 period moving average, and then come in, peekaboo, got rejected, inside week, and finally we break out after testing support quite a bit, and then right into this resistance. We talked about these technical levels in the room, and basically this gap was a bullish gap. The only thing was, if you're looking to evaluate gap or rate your gap, this gap will be rated as tier 2 gap. So tier 2 gap means, did the stock have shock value? Well, no, did not have a shock value, because the day before we've had a green bar. But I'll also look at what happened a couple of days ago. Then you had a red bar right here. So this was a lower high red bar, and then a gap down red bar on a higher volume, and then you move above it. So there's going to be some sort of traders looking to get out of this trade. So we did have that happening here with Amazon, and then from there on, just want to look for entry, and I go into details in my gap trading contents and the course of a gap trading course that I've covered with the members on those entries. So nonetheless, this is setting up. You've got a 5 minutes opening range right here at 142 at the whole number. It's been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 65 minutes, 1 hour of consolidation. You can see that here easily could be in 60 minutes right here. And then finally it breaks. So we got into it at 140. 141.50 by 140.50, and really the entry came when you just have to go down to the smaller time frame to look for the entry. And I was watching this, so after getting rejected, after staying right here, we had this was the real entry right here where I wanted to get in 141.50. You saw that, and then put a stop right here at 140.50. So it triggers right into this bar, and then it's never really looks back until we hit the 143.50, and that's where we get out. And I think I sent the alert in the room that I am going I'm going flat on Amazon, and actually I'm going flat for the day. And this is how it looks. I said, look, Apple getting out at break even, which which obviously worked out, but hey, I'm flat for the day. It's a good Friday, we're good, total flat, took profits. That's how it looked for the weekend, for Friday. So quick trade, hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, hit subscribe, hit like, and let me know what else I can produce for you that will help you elevate your trading.